If you've been wanting to sell word scramble books on either Amazon KDP or in your printables shop, I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can do this where you don't have to come up with the words, you don't have to scramble the words, and you can put a book together in just a few minutes. Welcome, I'm Cassie. So the hardest part of making these books is usually coming up with the words and scrambling the words. And there's just a super easy way to do this that you don't have to do either of those things, and you'll have a book to sell really quickly. Let's go over my computer. I'm going to show you the tools that you can use to make these word scrambles really simply. So I'm on ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 40 Halloween words. So on BookBolt, you can do 40, 60, or 80 words for your word scramble. So I'm just going to go with 40 for this example. Select all of them and then copy. So we're going to go to Google Sheets, and it's free to use. So you can just sign up using your Gmail account. Then I'm going to go to File and New Spreadsheet. And then I'm just going to paste my words right here. And then I'm going to go to File and then Download. And then I want the CSV file. I'm going to go over to BookBolt and I'm going to start a new project in here. If you don't have BookBolt and you want to try it, there's a free trial in the description as well as a 20% off coupon. So I'm not going to do a cover for this one because I've shown how to do that in some other videos. So I'm just going to do an interior for this book. So then now that it's open, I'm going to go to this thing that looks like a puzzle right here. And I'm going to go down and find the word scramble. So this one right here, I'm going to choose page 1 and then next. So you can change the font size and color and all that stuff here, and the line color. So just click choose your CSV file, choose the one that you just saved, select the right amount of words here, so 40, 60, or 80. So mine has 40 words. I do want to add the solution. People tend to like that. And then one template per page. You can make it capital letters if you want, and then click submit. So you can see here the first page is my word scramble with all the words scrambled, and then the second page is the solution. So you would just go through and do that for each puzzle. Just ask ChatGPT to give you, if you keep the conversation going, it will give you different words. So you can say, give me 40 more words, and it'll give you 40 different ones. Because it remembers the conversation that you've had with it in the same chat. So that way you can get different words for each puzzle. So then you would just do the same thing for each puzzle until you get all the pages filled. And then once you're all finished, you would go to download. And then if you're uploading this for Amazon KDP, use the CMYK. If you're going to do this as like a digital printable to sell, do the RGB. And then this will make a file on your computer that you can upload wherever you're planning to sell this. So now you see how easy it is to make these word scramble puzzles using AI and BookBolt. Check the link in the description for a free trial to BookBolt, and there's also a 20% off coupon that you can use, and it'll last the entirety of your subscription if you decide to go to a paid plan. And get started on your own word scramble books and get selling those and making money. Be sure to watch this video right here where I show you how to make maze puzzle books in BookBolt really easily too.